In this question, we are talking about the diagram shows a sector of a circle with a radius r. The angle of a sector is given in radians and the area is given. So for part one, we just need to calculate what is the radius. So in order to do this, so the first thing that we should be aware of, so we should be knowing what is the formula of to calculate the area of sector whenever theta is given in terms of radians. So whenever theta is given in terms of radian, it's going to be half r square theta. And the area of sector here it is given as 500 is equals to half times r is what we need to find out. So r square into, and the value of theta is nothing but 1.6. So from here, we just need to make r the subject. So 2 and 1.6 goes to the other side. So it's going to be 500 times 2 divided by 1.6. And this is what is equals to r square. And here, so when we simplify this, so we will be getting r square is equals to 625. In that case, the value of r is square root of 625. Yes, of course, whenever the square goes to the other side, it becomes plus or minus, but we are talking about a radius. Radius cannot be negative. So that's why it's only positive square root of 625, which is just 25 centimeters. And this is the right answer for this sum.